In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with a League of Legends gift card. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring you understand how to make the most of your gift card. Let's get started with the basics. First, you'll need your League of Legends gift card code. This is usually found on the back of the card under a scratch-off area. Gently scratch it off to reveal the code. Be careful not to damage it, as you'll need every character to redeem your card. It's important to handle this step with care because an incorrect code can delay your purchase. Once you have your code ready, open your web browser. You can use any browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions during the process. A good connection ensures a smooth and seamless experience. Next, navigate to the Riot Code Redemption Page. Type in the address bar riotgames.com/en/code-redemption. This will take you to the right page where you can redeem your gift card. It's crucial to land on the official page to ensure the security of your transaction. Now enter your gift card code into the designated field. Take your time to input the code accurately. Double-check each character, as even a small typo can result in an error. Accuracy here is key to a successful redemption. With the code entered correctly, click on the Redeem Code button. This action will initiate the redemption process. You should see a confirmation or a prompt that moves you to the next step. This reassures you that the code has been accepted. After that, select League of Legends from the list of available games. This step is essential because it directs the credit from your gift card to your League of Legends account. Choosing the right game ensures your funds go exactly where you want them. Now, review the details on the screen. Check that the amount and the game selected are correct. This is your chance to confirm everything is in order before finalizing the process. Reviewing the details helps prevent potential errors. With everything looking good, click on the Confirm button. This final step completes the redemption process. Once confirmed, you should see a message indicating that your gift card has been successfully applied. This gives you the peace of mind that your account has been credited. At this point, you can close your browser or continue exploring the game with your newly added credits. Remember, using gift cards is a secure way to manage purchases without exposing your credit card details. It's a straightforward process that not only adds funds to your account, but also gives you the flexibility to enjoy more of what you love. By following these steps, you can easily redeem a League of Legends gift card. Whether you're using it for yourself or gifting it to someone else, this method is effective and secure. Thank you for joining me today, and happy gaming!